Hello and welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I will show you how to adjust text scaling, or in other words, how to resize text in Windows 11. So, in order to do that, go to the Start menu, click on the Settings app. In left panel, click on the Accessibility, click on the text size, and here you can move the slider and adjust text scaling, and you will see here in preview how text will look like after applying these changes. To apply changes, click Apply. You will see this flash of blue screen, and every text in your system, not only in system applications but on your icons, on desktop, and even if in web browser, everything will be bigger. So, and you can just return to default by clicking the 100% and apply another blue screen, and you have adjusted text scaling. If you want to make not only the text larger but everything larger, click here on the display in related settings, and you will see scale. You can choose here from the proposed scales, or you can click on it and set your custom scaling, but beware that setting custom scaling can cause some applications to be unreadable and not usable. And also, to apply your custom scaling, you will have to sign out. So that's all. If this video was helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and the most important thing, have a great day.